Well, more people in our community will soon have much needed health resources thanks to a partnership between the Economic Opportunity Authority for Savannah-Chatham County and Curtis V. Cooper Primary Health Care. A new community health center is opening in the EOA building on Anderson Street. The two organizations will provide a variety of on-site health services in this new space. And Bernadette Ball Oliver is the executive director for the EOA, and she's here with Albert Grandy Jr. He is the CEO of Curtis V. Cooper. Good morning. How are you all doing?
Good morning.
Yeah, thank you so much for being here. This sounds like an awesome partnership. A new space already in your existing building to help people receive health services. How did this come about? How did you all get together?
So, as you know, I retired from the school system, and under our previous superintendent, Dr. Levette, she and Mr. Grandy worked together, and I had the great fortune of being a part of that when they put the services in the schools. So I approached Mr. Grandy. He only made me beg for about 2 or 3 minutes, and at the 4th minute, he was like, "I'm sold. We can do this." And so there then began the great partnership that we now have.
Awesome. Okay, so tell me about the center itself. So, like we said earlier, it's already in your building at the EOA, right? So, what different services will be provided for? Are we talking families, children, wraparound services?
We do medical, dental, behavior health. We also provide pharmacy services. We have a wraparound, so we can do a radiology, lab, in addition to those services, but we would take care of the Head Start, take care of the employees there and the people in the community. So we provide all primary care services.
Yeah, we're looking at some pictures. Now there's plenty of more than where these pictures come from. The grand opening is still to come in December, so we're looking forward to that. Tell me what impact you hope this has on the community, especially with health being so important to the both of you, and making sure that it's accessible for people who don't have insurance, may not be able to afford services.
First, for access to care, get into primary care early. I always do my 222, where it'll basically cost you $200 for a primary care visit, or you spend $2,000 for an ER visit. If you don't do the primary care visit for $200, you spend $20,000 for an inpatient. So reduce the misuse of ERs, and also just provide care to the community based on your ability to pay.
Yeah, it's so important. And then this is really cool over at the EOA, Bernadette, because you all are able to provide so much all in one place.
So, and that's really a part of our new mission, is to capitalize on partnerships with other nonprofit organizations so that we can provide wraparound services, kind of like one-stop shopping, so that now when our families come in, they have all of those services available in one place. Typically when our families register, our children, have to have their shots, so they have to go one place for that, but then they have to go get dental care, but then they may have to go get vision checks, so we're talking 3 different locations already. Now we have all of that in one location on the 1st floor with our partnership with Curtis V. Cooper, as well as we have seniors. We have a foster grandparent program. We have a retired senior volunteer program, and those seniors now are able to come in and receive services as well. So when they're there on Tuesdays for our brown bag pickup, or when they're there just for our community garden, they volunteer in the garden, they can also go right to the healthcare center and be seen there.
That's so important. I know everybody's thinking, okay, so when can I access these services? When will it be open? Tell me about your grand opening.
So our grand opening is December 2nd, 10 a.m. at our 618 Anderson Street location. The healthcare center is on the 1st floor, room 103, and it is opened to the public. Will be open beginning Tuesdays and Thursdays. That's how we're starting, from about 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and looking to definitely welcome the public in so that we can expand those services.
Awesome. Thank you both so much for being here and for all you're doing in our community. This is going to be an awesome resource. And we'll have all the details on that grand opening and those hours of operation that you mentioned on our website. Thank you both for being here.
Thank you.